I get this question asked a lot in the comment section, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. Can you make a scalping video for people that can only use a mobile phone, like someone who doesn't have a laptop or something? So guys, make sure you leave a like on the video. It will help the video go a long way. And if you're new to the channel, you might wanna subscribe and comment below what is your favorite Forex pair to trade. So I'm gonna do it. Mobile version, scalping. So first you need to go to your trading platform. I'm gonna use MT4 because that's the only thing I've been using since the very start, back in October 2019. That's when I started my first, yeah, it was back in Dubai in some restaurant. I was like, what is this? Let me try this. Everyone's having a Lambo, having cash, everything. I was like, I want to get onto that live. Anyway, so yeah, you can use any trading platform you want. I'm going to use MT4, which stands for MetaTrader 4 on iPhone. And I assume it works similarly on other stuff. I don't know, I will just show you the things I know. And this is going to be a demo account, you know, just for demonstration purposes, so I can play around with it, move around very easily. Oh, I forgot, I put a buy on this, buy stuff on Pound Japan. I forgot, it's in profit. Anyway, so you're going to go to the charts and you're going to click on this little F, main window. And we're going to use something very basic. You've probably seen a lot of videos on it, and it's RSI, Relative Strength Index. But I'm going to try to teach you a different way, which you probably haven't seen. It's a way that works for me. So yeah, click on Relative Strength Index. Keep the settings the same. Click on Done. So when it's above 75, it's overbought. And when it's below 25, it's oversold. And we're going to try to take advantage of this. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So look, if you look, RSI is below the 25 mark. And here we got a very nice pin bar. Pin bar is a candlestick that usually means a reversal. So we're going to be focusing on two things, the RSI and a candlestick pattern. We either need a pin bar or a engulfing candle. It can be bullish for if you want to buy and bearish if you want to sell. Very straightforward. So you would have entered here after this pin bar. You would put your stop loss maybe a few pips underneath it, maybe just under the body. Because we're going to be scalping, we're going to aim for a 1 to 2. So if you want to risk, let's say $100, you want to make $200, 2 times your risk. So you would have entered after the candle closure. It's very important that you do that after the candle closure, and then you would have aimed for 2 times. And in this case, it was a big winner. Okay. Here we have another example where price closed above 75. And after this blue candle, we have this red candle, but it's not a pin bar or a bearish engulfing. So in a case like this, just simply move on. You know, you don't have to trade everything. If you don't understand what you're seeing, don't trade it. It's as simple as that. So here is a bit tricky because we didn't get the confirmation, although we did close above the 75 on the other side. So you just move on, find another one. Here we had a nice close above the 75 if you look here. And what happened, this is another version if you do want to do it. A bearish engulfing, it can be one candle that engulfs the entire bull candle. But there's another version where the two candles combine, it engulfs the bull candle. This is a case of that. So we had a bull candle followed by a bear candle, but it wasn't a bearish engulfing. But the second one and this one, if you add it together, it eats the blue candle. So this is a good example of where you can do a trade. So you would have entered here after the candle closure, and you would have put your stop loss maybe just above the body and go for 1 to 2. You probably would have hit take profit, very easy. So when it's in the middle, you literally do nothing. You just, so here we closed under the 25, so we really oversold. We had this small little candle, but nothing interesting. But after this, this is a bullish engulfing. Remember, the 2 candles or 1 candle. So you would have entered here, stop loss somewhere here, and you would have gone for 2 times somewhere here, full TP. So here we did close above the 75, but we didn't really get, we got a bearish engulfing after the 3rd candle, but the rules are either 1 candle or 2, not 3. So in this case, you would do nothing, okay? And here is a case of simply losing. So we did close above 75 and we had a bearish engulfing, but it hit our stop loss, you know. It happens, you can't win everything. It's pretty much that simple. Just go practice it. What is your favorite pair? My favorite pair is gold by far. I've always been trading gold. I'm good at it as well because I understand how it works. So yeah, but it's very dangerous, guys. If you're a new trader, try to stick to Forex, and as you get more experience, then move on to gold. What do you use? So I use MT4, as you know, to place my trades, and I use tradingview.com to do my analysis. That's on the website, and you can use the app on the phone, depending which way you want to do it. I prefer to do it on the laptop, on my desktop. It's just bigger, just easier to see. On the phone it's pretty small, but if you don't have a laptop or a computer, then yeah, you can use your phone. What is your leverage? My leverage is 1 to 500. It's just been like that since the very start when I started trading. I didn't even know what leverage was back then, but yeah, it's that. How do I join VIP? I think I've made this very easy, but people still get confused. So the pinned comment under all of my videos is something like this. To join my free Forex signal groups, click below. So you just click on that. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. I think I've covered pretty much everything, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.